association with BrandServe like now spans for more than almost 6 years now, and we have been associated in many of the events where, like in steel, if you see, the steel business in totality has been treated as a commodity business, and we tried to incorporate the concept of branding, because if you see steel, it's not actually a commodity. The kind of value addition we do to make various type of steels, customized products for various customers. So it was important for us to convey this message in the marketplace, the entire country, for which we came forward and met Vivek, and we explained that this is what we are looking for. And for last 3 to 4 years, the way we have exhibited in various forums, in various exhibitions, national level forums where the participation, in fact international level forums where even the international players in the steel trade have participated. We have been quite successful in establishing our the connect with the end consumers by way of displaying the products through BrandServe, and BrandServe has been a key for JSW Steel in taking this initiative forward. And as we say that our association with BrandServe, I will say it relates, the things start from the top. I know Vivek Gulati maybe for when I started my career. I will like to mention that when I started my career in automobile sector, he was my senior. And during that small tenure when we worked together, I learned a lot from him. And there also we understood the way he used to take for the organization the things. The same thing. It is really very nice and heartening to see that 10 years BrandServe is completing now. And in 10 years, the way things started and the way BrandServe has reached a position, the way the level at which they are, is really because of the hard work of Vivek and the entire BrandServe team. The commitment levels, I will say, I have seen the best. I have not seen anywhere commitment levels with any other agencies we have worked with in any, not only the advertising or the branding or the any such agency, any agency, I will say, the commitment levels is, my colleagues also say, and I also feel that BrandServe, like at times we say, that is an extended arm of JSW Steel. At short notices, at 11th hour, we have taken certain decisions to participate in various activities which no other agency is comfortable to do. That there I will say that this is one of the major strengths, I will say, of BrandServe, delivering in a very, very short span without compromising on the quality. And there are certain examples which recently happened in Karnataka, also Bangalore, that were at a short notice of 4 or 5 days, we said that we have to participate in this exhibition, wherein other big organizations, even like auto majors like Toyota and others, were present. And we participated in this, that exhibition at a notice of just 5 days. It was conceptualized, designed, fabricated, installed, and we were rated as one of the best pavilions in that exhibition. So, and similar kind of many other instances have happened with BrandServe. And that gives us a great confidence that even if we are not sure that whether we will be able to or not, but if BrandServe is there, we are confident that JSW will be able to do what we want to. And I wish BrandServe a very, very successful 10 years which they have completed, and many more milestones definitely BrandServe is going to achieve. I wish my great success to Mr. Vivek Gulati and his team, and all the best.